Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Stripe Treasury app for businesses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Stripe Treasury app for your business, start by opening your mobile device's App Store. For iOS users, go to the Apple App Store. For Android users, access the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type Stripe Treasury. Press the search icon to begin the search. Look for the official Stripe Treasury app in the search results. Verify that the app is developed by Stripe Incorporated. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. Check the app's compatibility with your device. Next, tap the download or install button. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or Google account credentials to authorize the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Stripe Treasury icon to open the app. If you already have a Stripe account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. Once logged in, explore the features available to manage your business finances. Familiarize yourself with the app interface and settings. Make sure to enable notifications for important updates. You are now ready to begin using the Stripe Treasury app for your business operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.